Hello children, welcome to Literature with Rachna. Today I will explain you Gulmohar, Class 5, Unit 3, A Rupee Goes a Long Way, which is written by the very famous author Ruskin Bond. In this chapter, we will study that how a boy went out to a sweet shop to get jalebis worth rupee 1, but he couldn't get because the 1 rupee coin was of no use. Let me see whether the boy got the jalebis at the end or not. A Rupee Goes a Long Way, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer who has played a very important role in the growth of children's literature in India. He has written several popular novels, short stories, and poems. Most of his work is influenced by his life in the hill station at the foothills of the Himalayas, where he spent his childhood. He spent his childhood near the foothills of Himalayas. Okay, and they are telling that most of his work was influenced by his life. They are also telling that he has played a very important role in the growth of children's literature in India. Now we will go for paragraph reading. First paragraph. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin, so he made his way to the Jamuna sweet shop, tossed the coin on the counter, and asked for a rupee's worth of jalebis. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. What was the boy named? Ranji. He went with the 1 rupee coin to a sweet shop, Jamuna sweet shop, and asked to the shopkeeper to give him a rupee's worth of jalebis. Jalebis is a sweet, okay? So he asked for jalebis worth rupee 1. The shopkeeper looked the coin carefully. When he was watching the coin carefully, he said that the coin's no good. Okay, he said that the coin is not of any use. Are you sure? Ranji asked. On this, Ranji asked that, are you sure that the coin is of no good, no use? Next is, these coins went out of use long ago, said the shopkeeper. Went out of use means expired. These coins are expired now. People are not using them, said the shopkeeper. Next line. It isn't old enough to be valuable, and it isn't new enough to buy anything. He's telling that they are expired but not so old that they can be an antique piece, and it's not so new to buy anything. On this, Ranji shrugged. This shrugged means the expression, body language. Ranji shrugged, took the coin back, and turned onto the road. He took the shoulders up and then down, and then he went and turned onto the road. Soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar, roaming here and there through the bazaar, market, when he heard a familiar voice behind him. Where are you going, Ranji? When he was roaming here and there in the market, he heard a familiar voice. Where are you going, Ranji? Now let's see who said this. It was Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. Okay, it was Mohinder Singh who was Ranji's friend. In one hand, Mohinder held a homemade fishing rod. In his one hand, there was a homemade fishing rod for fishing. I am not going anywhere, said Ranji. Where are you going? When Mohinder asked about where is he going, he said, I am not going anywhere. But he asked Mohinder that where he is going. I am not going. I have been. Mohinder said, I was fishing in the canal all morning. He said, I am not going. I was already out of my home. I was fishing in the canal all morning. So this was your first page. Let me go to second. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. Will you lend it to me? He asked. He asked Mohinder that can you please give me the rod, fishing rod? You will only lose it or break it, Mohinder said. But I don't mind selling it to you. 2 rupees. Okay. Now Mohinder said when he asked for rod, Mohinder said that you will only lose it or break it. I cannot give you like that. I can give you with the 2 rupees. If you will give me 2 rupees, I will surely give it to you. I have got 1 rupee, said Ranji, but it's an old one. The sweet seller would not take it. He said that the sweet seller rejected. He did not give me jalebis for that 1 rupee coin. So I have that coin. Please, let me see it, said Mohinder. He took the coin and looked it over. I don't suppose it's worth much, but my uncle collects old coins. Give it to me and I will give you the rod. In this paragraph, he's telling that okay, he asked the coin from Ranji and he took the coin and looked it over, means looked carefully. And then he said, is expression. I don't suppose it's worth much. He's telling that, okay, I know that it's not so much of worth, but my uncle used to collect old coins. So what I will do, you give me the coin and I will give you the rod. All right, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. He took the fishing rod, waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. Okay, now he was very happy that the coin is not at all of worth, and he took the coin from me and gave me his rod. He was very happy to make the exchange. He took the fishing rod, said bye-bye to Mohinder and went off. After some time, a truck came along. Ranji knew the driver and waved and shouted to him until he stopped. Will you take me to the river? Ranji asked. I am going fishing. Now what happened after getting the road? He was very happy and then he saw a truck came along and the driver of the truck was known to Ranji. So he waved and shouted to him until he stopped. When he stopped, he asked the driver, will you take me to the river? I am going for fishing. What driver said? The driver said, climb up in the back. He accepted the offer. He said, okay, you can come. You sit in the back. Next line. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck. Soon he was watching the road slide away from him. Okay, when he climbed into the back of the open truck, he saw watching the road slide away means move away. It was so fast, like driver was driving so fast that the road slide away, move away from him. Next paragraph. It was moving so fast that in a while the truck stopped near the river bed, near the river bank. Ranji got down, thanked the driver and began walking along the bank. It was the dry season and the river was just shallow. Now he reached near the river. Okay, he was walking near the bank, along the bank. Bank means the side of a river, the place side of river where we can have that sitting arrangement and we can walk near the river is called bank. It was a dry season and that's why the river was just a shallow. Shallow means not deep. Water was not so deep for fishing. Muddy stream. Muddy stream means when water is not there due to soil, we have muddy streams. Watching this, Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough for the smallest of fish. Even he did not get a small fish into the river. No wonder Mohinder let me have his rod, he muttered. Now he came to know why Mohinder had given him the rod, because fishing, it was not the time of fishing. It was not the correct time. Water was shallow. River was shallow. No wonder Mohinder let me have his rod, he muttered. He was murmuring, he was talking silently to himself that I come to know, now I come to know why Mohinder gave me his rod. Let me see the next line. And with a shrug, he turned back. Again, the movement, the body language came shrug. Again, with the shrug means he kept the shoulder up and down and said, okay, he turned back. Now, let's see the next paragraph. It was long, hot walk back to the bazaar. Ranji thought again of the jalebis that he had not been able to buy. He had reached a few scattered houses when he saw a boy playing a flute. In the stillness of the hot afternoon, the flute made a cheerful sound. Okay. Now, when he started moving back to the bazaar, to the market, he was thinking again about the jalebis that he did not buy. He could not buy. He had reached a few scattered houses. He reached near the houses. Scattered houses means here and there, means crowd of houses. When he saw, what he saw, that a boy is playing a flute. With the still hot afternoon, the sun was scorching and it was very hot. The flute made a cheerful sound. Okay, even the flute was giving a cheerful sound. Ranji stopped walking. The boy stopped playing. The boy had his eye on Ranji's fishing rod. Okay, now what happened when Ranji stopped there near the boy who was playing the flute, the boy also stopped playing. And what he was doing? He was watching Ranji's fishing rod. He was watching the fishing rod carefully. Ranji had his eye on the flute and Ranji was watching the boy's flute. Been fishing? Asked the flute player. Yes, said Ranji. He's also asking, have you gone for fishing? The flute player asked, have you gone for fishing? And Ranji said, yes, I went for fishing. So my dear children, this is your page number 1 and 2 explanation. Page number 3 and 4 I will be providing you in my next video. Hope you understood it.